If you want to know how to make professional YouTube thumbnails and get more views, then don't skip this video. As we already know that thumbnails are the most important thing for getting more views on your YouTube channel. If your thumbnail is good and attractive, then you will get more views. But if your thumbnail is bad and boring, then you won't be able to get more views on your videos. Watch this full video, and by the end of this video, you will be also able to create more attractive and professional thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's move into our mobile screen. Okay guys, let's begin the process of thumbnail making. For editing, I will be using Picsart app. I have been using this app since the beginning of my YouTube journey, and it is also very easy and simple to use this app. So after opening the Picsart app, you have to click to this plus option. So after clicking the plus option, there are various options like this: photos, videos, draw and color, and templates. We have to go to the templates option. After that, you can see here popular sizes, and below the popular sizes there are square, portrait and story, Facebook, like this. And simply after scrolling here, you can also get YouTube option. This option is for the YouTube thumbnails. After clicking to this option, you will get lots of attractive templates for your YouTube thumbnail. Simply scroll and choose which one you find more attractive and beautiful. So right now I will be choosing this template for making my thumbnail. After selecting, this kind of interface will be open. Now you need to remove all these unnecessary text and things, because we won't be keeping these things on our thumbnail. So you can simply remove it like this by clicking on the object and clicking on the cross button. After that, now we have a good and attractive background for our YouTube thumbnails. So after getting the background for your thumbnail, the second step that you need to do is adding the main object. For example, I will be adding this photo for the main object. So after you add the photo, you can put it anywhere on the screen. But we need only the person and not the background. So that's why we need to remove that, and we can remove that from here. We can remove that from the cutout option. Click on the cutout option and select the persons. So this is how simply you can remove the background. After removing the background, then your photo will look like this. Then you can adjust it anywhere you want. You can place the main object at the center, or left side or right side. Here I will be placing the main object at the left side like this. So as you can see, the combination of the right background and the main object is looking beautiful and attractive as well. Now let's move into our further process, and the next step is adding short and sweet text. So you can add text from your text option. Write what you want to write on your thumbnail. So this is how you can add text here, and you can put it anywhere you want. To make the text look more attractive and more clear, I will be adding this shape. From the shape option, you can add triangle, square, anything. I will be adding the rectangle and covering this entire text. So after you add that shape, click to this option right below the tick. Here is the layers option, and move the layer of the text to upper than that shape. After the text and the shape look like this, now you have to change the color of the shape, and after changing the color, it will look like this. So this will make the text look more attractive and more clear. So this is also a very important factor while making your thumbnails. So these are the most important components for your thumbnails: background, main object, and text. So after adding the text, I will be adding the main component of this thumbnail, and which is another thumbnail which look very professional and attractive as well. Adjusting the extra component in the right place. So this is how my thumbnail is looking right now. You can also make thumbnail like this by using this app. Start making professional thumbnail like this, and you will start getting more views on your YouTube channel. Share this video to your friend and family who are working on YouTube for getting popular, and make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos like this. So this much for today. Hope you guys like the video. Stay subscribed and stay tuned.